Akanksha, what have you cooked for us today?
So I have made a seafood balchao paella. Then I have made a avocado puree, balchao caviar. Then a salad which I have wrapped in a zucchini.
Your vision of amalgamating the flavors of Spain and Goa has been a complete success. I can taste them both, and they're very, very cleverly executed. Different elements, but each and every one of them are beautifully seasoned. It's delicious.
Akanksha, you've almost done up to 7 elements. You've done so much, you've shown so much technique, and we're proud to see that. Beautifully done, excellently executed.
Akanksha, what you've done with this dish is expressed the fact that you deserve to be in this finale. It's a beautiful harmony of flavors. However, my stand is to make you better. And I will always leave you with 2 cents. When you're making complex dishes, every element needs to be at par with another. Not even one element can let down a dish. Here, unfortunately, the salad is letting it down. It's neither too much of Goa nor too much of Spain.
At some point, there was this thing going in my head that I should have added avocado, but then I think whatever was supposed to be done was done.
If you were to just remove it and give it to me, I'd take it and run. Good job, proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Juhi, what is your finale dish?
It's a coconut and lemongrass panna cotta with a sweet kokum syrup, some cashew fenny, passion fruit, and galangal dressed mangoes and mint on top of it. And there's a black jaggery, balcha masala, and desiccated coconut crumble on the side.
I was very proud of what I've done there. I wasn't too sure as to what would be the feedback because there was a dish that I'd never cooked.
Juhi, when you start eating it, it's so hard to stop because it is delicious. Your vision of taking the Goan flavors of kokum, cashews, black jaggery, coconut, and mixing it with the Thai flavors of galangal, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass. They're marrying so beautifully well. It's like tropics in my mouth. Thank you for that.
Juhi Jamba, Jambi Bakes is what I read when I first came to your truck. And Jambi Bakes has done really good desserts before as well. But this particular one was just outstanding. The smoothness of the panna cotta, the coolness of the coconut and the lemongrass all works with the mango and the passion fruit on top. Lots of techniques incorporated really, really well. Congratulations.
Juhi, for me, the journey of Femme Foodies for you has been the journey of finding yourself. And when I see the plate and taste it, I'm sure you found yourself. Hold on to this, Juhi. You've expressed yourself beautifully on a plate. The spicy crumble, masterstroke. The salad with the mango, cashew fenny, oh my God. And now come my 2 cents. When you said coconut and lemongrass, I was expecting a lot more coconut into it. Right now, there's more cream, less coconut. And I was expecting a lemongrass infusion because sometimes it becomes unpleasant to bite into a lemongrass that you've chopped and put into it.
I wasn't too happy about that, but I'm hoping they see this as an ignorant mistake on my part and enjoy the flavors that were there.
Texturally, it's great, but flavor-wise and infusion could have been better. But overall, your best dish so far. Good job, Juhi. Now, last but not the least, the last dish of the last task at Fem Foodies. Megha, what's your dish?
Prawn caffrial ravioli with gorgonzola cheese sauce and wine poached pears and parmesan and coconut crisp.
Megha, we surprise you with challenges and tasks, but you surprise us with so many different flavors and contrasts that you try. You've made a ravioli casing, which is extremely thin, well rolled out, and the dough is eggless, is it?
Yes.
So it's an eggless ravioli with a prawn stuffing in it, well spiced, well balanced. The sauce is creamy. Technically, I see so many elements. I see the dish which has been elevated by you.
Megha, you've taken the caffrial, which is a very, very typical and quintessential dish of Goa, and married it with a cheese sauce, a gorgonzola that too, which is a pretty tough cheese sauce to actually pair something with. And you've balanced it beautifully, especially with the wine poached pears. I'm very impressed.
I still remember that Megha struggling with prawns on day one. It's like, what do I do with this? What do I do with this? What do I do with this? Right? And today you had a choice of picking a prawn or not picking a prawn, or cooking something totally vegetarian. And yet, what does Megha do? She goes and she picks a prawn and she says, it is the grand finale. Let's do this. Right? And she did it. At so many levels, it is such a beautiful dish. The gaminess of the blue cheese with the spice, beautiful combination. Parmesan coconut, who would have thought? You will have a lot of people in Modena thinking, a lot of people thinking, oh, why didn't we think of that? Wine poached pear, not an easy thing to do. Very good job. However, imagine a beautiful Caesar salad with the most freshest of ingredients, the hardest of work, with one slab of sliced bread on top. What did it do? It just brings the salad down. These sliced olives here are that sliced bread.
The only negative comment I did get was on the sliced olives, which I put like very last minute on the dish, on the plate, just for my plate to look a little prettier.
But overall, I'm proud of you.